Hello friends, this is Abhas. Welcome back to our channel Unit Square. Till now we have seen many sorting algorithms like bubble sort, quick sort and merge sort. There are many other sorting algorithms also. So today we will try to learn some of the latest interview questions based on the sorting. These interview questions will help you to understand the importance of data structures and algorithm. So let's start. Now let's see a problem. This problem has been asked in many interviews. So in this problem we have to segregate zeros and ones in an array. It means we have to sort the array which contains zeros and ones. Means 0 should come before ones. So there are many approaches to solve this problem. First and very simple approach is, first we should count all the zeros and all the ones. After that, in the second loop, we will fill all the zeros and all the ones based on the counting. So now let's see how we can write program for this. Now let's see the program. Here we are taking two variables C0 and C1 for the counting of zeros and 1. So we will initialize C0 and C1 to 0. After that, we will start the for loop from 0. Suppose if the value of a of I is 0, then we will increment the C0 because the value is 0. So we have to increase the count. Suppose the value of a of I is 1, then we have to increment the C1 because it represents the number of ones. So after this for loop, we will get to know that how many zeros and how many ones are present in the array. After that, we will take another for loop. In that for loop, we will start from 0 and we will traverse this loop to C0 because C0 represents the number of zeros, and we will start filling number of zeros in the array. So here we are filling number of zeros in the array. After that, the remaining element will be number of ones. So we will start the array from I equal to C0 because this represents my number of zeros. After that, I have to fill the ones. So it will run to n and I am filling all the ones in the remaining array. After these for loops, the array will look like this. So now we have to able to segregate the zeros and ones. Now my array is sorted. Now let's see the time complexity of this program. Here this for loop is running n time and both these for loop combined running n times. So the time complexity will be t of n equal to 2n, which will be order of n. But we are traversing this array twice. Suppose your interviewer asks you to do this segregation in one iteration, then you have to think another approach. So now let's see how we can do this in one iteration. Now here in the second approach, we will take two pointers. First pointer will point at the initial index and second pointer will point to the last index. Now after that, we will try to move all the zeros at the first and all the ones at the last. Suppose we found 1 at initial position and 0 at the last position. So we will swap both the elements. Otherwise, if we find 0 at the initial position, so we will simply increase the pointer. And similarly, if we find 1 at the second pointer, then we will keep on decrementing the second pointer. Now let's see the running code. Here we have declared one array A which contains zeros and ones. After that, we are calling the segregate method. So the control will come here. Here we are initializing two pointers low and high. Low is pointing to initial index and high is pointing to last index. After that, we will iterate the array till low is less than high. Suppose our initial value is 1, then we will check whether the last element is 0 or not. Suppose our last element is 0, then we will make a swap. Otherwise, we will decrement the high pointer. Suppose our initial value is not 1, it means it is 0. So there is no need of swap. In that case, we will simply increase the low pointer because 0 is at perfect position. Now I am running this code. So here you can see we are able to segregate zeros and ones in one iteration only. Now we can test this program on a different input. Suppose I am changing the input as this, and here also 0, and I am making here also 1 0. So now I am running the program. So here you can see the program is working fine. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then please like, comment and share with your friends, and please subscribe our channel Unit Square.